Chapter 4. More on MS Word 2016. Learning Outcomes. At the end of this chapter, students will be able to move and copy the text, insert bullets, numbering and symbols, check the spelling and grammar, print the document. Warm up. Following sentences have spelling and grammatical errors. Rewrite the sentence on the lines below. 1. Children is playing in the park. 2. There are beautiful flowers. 3. Alia are swinging. Teachers note: apprise students that all the mistakes would have been underlined in MS Word 2016 if they had typed the above sentence with errors. Hello friends, we have already learned how to edit the text in MS Word 2016. In this chapter, we will learn more about its editing features. As we know, one of the most widely used word processor produced by Microsoft is Microsoft Word. It facilitates the quick and simple creation, reading, editing and share of files. It allows making changes in the content and appearance of the text. Text can be edited by inserting and deleting text, correcting grammatical errors and changing font settings. Let us learn about more editing features of MS Word 2016. Moving text. After you have done typing a section of text in Microsoft Word, you may need to move it somewhere else. Follow the given step to move the text. 1. Select the text you want to move. 2. Click the Cut command on the Home tab. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl X on your keyboard. 3. Place your cursor point where you want the text to appear. 4. Click the Paste command on the Home tab. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl V on your keyboard. Copying text. Word enables you to copy text which is already in your document and paste it to another location. Let me answer. What is the easier way to copy a text? Follow the given steps to copy the text. Steps. 1. Select the text you want to copy. 2. Click the Copy command on the Home tab. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl C on your keyboard. 3. Place your cursor point where you want the text to appear. 4. Select the Paste command on the Home tab. Bullets and numbering. The use of bullets and numbering, often known as ordered or unordered list, can make writing easier to read. Bulleted list. Bulleted list is used when order does not matter. This list shows a graphic symbol with the list. Follow the steps to use the bulleted list. Steps. 1. Select the text you want to change into a list. 2. Go on the Home tab in the paragraph group and click the bullet command. 3. A drop-down menu with different bullet styles will appear. Select the bullet style. 4. The selected text will have a bulleted list. Numbered list. Numbered list follows some orders and is used to display complete sentences or paragraphs in a series. Follow the given steps to create a numbered list. Steps. 1. Select the text you want to change into a numbered list. 2. Go to the Home tab in the paragraph group and click the bullets command. 3. A drop-down menu with different numbering styles will appear. Select the numbering style. 4. The selected text will have a numbered list. Inserting symbols. You can easily insert a special character, fraction or other symbols such as currency, check marks and many more symbols in your Word documents. These symbols are needed in the documents where some formulas are to be typed. Follow the given steps to insert the symbols. Steps. 1. Take the cursor in the file at the spot where you want to insert the symbol. 2. Go to Insert and click on the symbol button located in the symbol group. 3. Choose the desired symbol or click on more symbols. 4. Use the font selector above the symbol list to pick the font you desire. 5. Once you get the symbol of your choice, double click it. 6. The symbol will be inserted and select the close button. Find and replace. Sometimes while you typing, there are words which are typed incorrectly. To correct the spellings, we can use the find and replace option. The find feature allows finding the word or particular text in the document, and the replace feature allows to replace it with the correct or another word. Follow the given steps to find the text. Steps 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Select the Find button in the editing group. 3. A navigation panel will emerge on the left hand side. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl F key combination to open the navigation panel. 4. Mention the word you want to search in the search document box. 5. The mentioned word will be highlighted in the entire document. Follow the given step to replace the text. Step 1. Click on the Home tab. 2. Select the Replace button in the editing group. 3. Find and Replace box will appear. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl H key combination to open the navigation panel. 4. In the Find word box, type the word that needs to be changed. 5. In the Replace with box, type the new word to replace the old word. 6. Press the Replace All button. 7. The mentioned word will be replaced with the new word. Spelling and grammar. MS Word has an inbuilt tool which allows to correct spellings and grammatical errors. Follow the given step to check the spelling and grammar. Let me answer. Do you make errors while writing? Follow the given step to check the spelling and grammar. Steps 1. Select the text. 2. Click on the Review tab. 3. In the Proofing group, select Spelling and Grammar. 4. The spelling panel will appear on the right side. Suggestions will be shown to edit the incorrect word. 5. Either select Change or Change All options. 6. Once done, a message will appear. The spelling and grammar check is complete. Do you know? We can open the spelling panel by pressing F7 key. Print Preview. A feature called Print Preview shows on the screen what a printed copy would look like. By changing the layout using a print preview before printing, you can detect any possible problem to prevent the need for multiple prints, resulting in saving ink or toner and paper. Follow the given steps to preview a document. Steps 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Select the Print option. 3. A preview of the document will appear. Remember it. By pressing Ctrl P key, the print preview will be shown. Printing the document. Once the preview looks fine, follow the given steps to take the printout. Steps 1. Click on the File tab. 2. Select the Print option. 3. Choose the printer from the Print Properties drop-down list. 4. Mention the number of copies required for printing. 5. Press the Print button. 6. Hard copy of the document will be there. Kids IQ. Shreya has typed a letter. Now she wants a hard copy of it. What should she do? Let's recall. Microsoft Word is one of the most widely used word processor produced by Microsoft. We can use the cut, copy and paste option for moving and copying the text. Editing can also be done by selecting the desired text. Numbered list follows some order while the bullet listed doesn't. Print preview shows on the screen what a printed copy would look like. Upskill your intelligence. A. Fill in the blanks. 1. Bulleted list is used when dash does not matter. Answer order. 2. Editing can only be done by dash the desired text. Answer: selecting. 3. The spelling panel appears on the dash side. Answer: right. 4. Replace button is present in the dash group. Answer: editing. 5. The dash feature allows finding the word in the document. Answer: find. B. Answer the following in one word. 1. The tab where the cut option is present. Answer: edit menu. 2. Spelling panel will appear using this key. Answer: editor panel. 3. The tab where the print option is present. Answer: file menu. 4. The list used for series. Answer: numbered list. 5. This group has spelling and grammar option. Answer: proofreading group. C. Write T for true statements and F for false statements. 1. The numbered list does not follow the proper order. Answer: false. 2. Spell and grammar checks make the document error-free. Answer: true. 3. Editing means making changes in the already typed text. Answer: true. 4. Division symbols can be added using bullets. Answer: true. 5. Press Ctrl P key combination to open the spelling panel. Answer: false. D. Match the following. Match Ctrl C with copy. Match Ctrl P with print preview. Match Ctrl V with paste. Match Ctrl H with find and replace. Match Ctrl F with navigation panel. E. Answer the following questions. 1. Write the steps to move a text. 1. The steps to move a text. Steps. 1. Select the text you want to move. 2. Click the cut command on the home tab. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl X on your keyboard. 3. Place your cursor point where you want to text to appear. 4. Click the paste command on the home tab. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl V on your keyboard. 2. Explain the symbol features in MS Word 2016. Answer: you can easily insert a special character fraction or other symbols such as currency, check marks and many more symbols in your Word documents. 3. What is the use of bullet and numbering? Answer: numbered list follows some order while the bullet does not. 4. What is the first step in copying any text? Answer: select the text you want to copy. 5. What is the purpose of find and replace? Answer: the find feature allows finding the word or particular text in the document, and the replace feature allows you to replace it with the corrected or another word. Critical thinking. A. Gaurav typed the essay on summer vacations. By mistake, he typed the ending paragraph as the first paragraph. Suggest to him the option he should adopt to correct the essay. Answer: after you have done typing a section of text in Microsoft Word, you may need to move it somewhere else. You can use the moving text option to correct the essay. B. Unjumble the tabs. 1. Insert. 2. Home. 3. Review. Team work. Make a list of your subjects according to alphabetical order. Run, spell, check. Answer: students will do it themselves.